If you have ever wondered what it feels like to ride one of the most thrilling, scenic, and nerve wracking highways in America on two wheels, then buckle up. Today I'm sharing my ride along Colorado's Million Dollar Highway, US Route 550, which is cut into the side of the San Juan Mountains in between Silverton and Ouray, Colorado. Now, the total ride is about 25 miles, but I'm only going to share about 10 minutes of the ride. It's the most scenic part that you're going to see in today's video. Now, if you have an opportunity to watch this video on a large screen television, that's what I would recommend because that's going to give you the closest possible feeling of actually being there. Now, leaving Ouray, almost immediately the road climbs, and with every foot of elevation, your heart is beating just a little bit faster. Those turns get tighter, the shoulders disappear, and the guardrails? What guardrails? It's just you, your bike, and an amazing and beautiful scenery all around you. Now, legend has it that it cost about $1 million a mile to build this road back in the 1920s, and that its fill dirt contains about $1 million of gold ore. Now, I don't know if that's true, but the view is definitely worth $1 million, and it's a wonderful ride, and you will not regret it. Now, if you have a fear of heights or a fear of riding on roads with no guardrail, then yeah, this ride is not for you. However, riding along the Million Dollar Highway is going to force you to focus on the road. You'll have a couple of quick glimpses that you can take, but you really need to stay focused, and so you're not really going to be able to take it all in, and you don't really worry about running off the road. But really, you can't stare too long. You can look out there, but your focus really needs to be on what's coming up in front of you. Now, if you want to pull over, there are a few places along the way where you can stop and maybe take some pictures and just kind of just take in all of the scenery. Now, the rest of the video that I'm going to show you today, it's all riding. There's no commentary, there's no music. So feel free to leave a comment and do all of that amazing YouTube stuff like hitting the thumbs up button and subscribing. And also be sure to check out my riding videos for Pikes Peak and Mount Washington. Enjoy the video.
You hear what he said?
This has to be the corniest little white dude I've ever seen in my life.
He looks like a broke-ass sexual chocolate.
What?
What country you from?
What?
What ain't no country I ever heard of? They speak English and what?
This is ridiculous.
Now, don't you go through life worrying about whether somebody like you or not. You best be making sure they're doing right by you. You understand what I'm saying?
I'm an officer in the United States Navy.
Is this guy ever gonna shut up?
What?
English, motherfucker! Do you speak it?
Yes.
All right, now you sons of bitches, you know how I feel.